And one of the things that actually brought me to Chime is the fact that we actually hold a set of core values here as well. I think a successful company, a truly successful company, can't operate without them. You'll actually see on the screen here, this is our set of core values. We spent a lot of time and effort defining these core values, and I think they reflect my core values personally. And if these are core values that you can relate to as well, then you found a good company in Chime. My favorite core value is we pursue constant improvement. I think we all understand that if you're not getting better each and every day, standing still is actually making you worse, if you will. So this is a little bit about Chime, our beliefs, how we operate. We truly hire and fire based off of these core values. So I think it's an important aspect of Chime for you to understand, to know our why.